Open CapCut, new project, photos, and select black background. And then I will just set the time up to 10 seconds. That is my travel tab. Okay. Then we're gonna set the font to Anton. And then we will set the size to 81. And then we will fix the spacing of the letters. We're just gonna draw up to 10 seconds. Now we're gonna set the color to neon green. Now we're gonna set the video cover. First set, then save. And then click export. Click done and new project. And you're going to select the text and a video. Click the text video and then click overlay. And then click remove background. And then choose chroma key. Intensity is 100, shadow is 100, and then OK. The main video and select animations. And then we will use fade in for 1 second. Click the add frame. And then you're gonna zoom out or spread out the text video. The video is not smooth, so we're gonna fix this. Click this line graph. Here's the number 1. I'm just gonna set to 8 seconds. Click animations and then choose out, fade out for 1 second. Now I will set the cover of the video. Click cover, then save and export. Click done and go to gallery and play the video.